sa ating mga lalaki, alam natin kapag hindi tayo nagsumikap, wala tayong makukuwang babae na gusto natin, or hindi tayo pwede mag-level up when it comes to women's beauty. Kasi ang kaya lang natin i-attract na babae is yung ka-level or yung kaya nating buhayin, kaya natin pakainin based on our salary, based on our kinikita. So pwede ka ba mangarap ng babaeng like celebrity kahit na isa kang simpleng mamamayan or average guy? Yes, pwede ka mangarap, but don't expect na may babaeng gugustuhin yung ganong lalaki. Kasi women, eto, makinig ka, women love opportunistically, men love idealistically. Ulitin ko, women love opportunistically. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Ibig sabihin, women only settle with guys or yung meron silang advantage, or yung meron silang magigain, or nakikita nila na pag ito binoyfriend ko, or pag ito naging boyfriend ko, tataas yung value ko bilang babae, or yung lifestyle na gusto ko pwede ko makuha sa kanya. Gets mo? Or eto bang lalaki na to, pag nagkatuluyan ba kami, makakasurvive ba ako? Or pag nagkaanak ba kami, talagang magiging maligaya ang buhay? Or yung mga masasabi niya na eto bang lalaki na to, pag tinuluyan ko, magiging maluwag ang buhay ko? So that's why women love opportunistically. They always find the best guy. It's hard work for women to find a best guy. Kung babae love opportunistically, men love idealistically. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Ano ba yung relasyon na ideal? Ano ba yung mga bagay na ideal when it comes to relationship? So ganun magmahal ang lalaki. Kaya nga, we are the one that only can be romantic sa relationship. Hindi pwedeng babae. Kasi wala naman tinatawag na donya romantic eh. Di ba? We are the only one that can be romantic in the relationship. Na-try mo na bang ihatid ka ng babae? Na-try mo na bang bigyan ka ng chocolate ng babae at stop toy? Na-try mo na ba? Nabigyan ka ng flowers ng babae? What? Di ba hindi? Idealistically, kung ano yung dapat na ginagawa ng isang lalaki sa relasyon, ganun tayo magmahal. Ano yung need ng isa, kung ano man yung pangangailangan ng isang babae, binibigay natin hanggat maaari. Di ba? Well, we're not a perfect person, pero as much as we can, bibigay natin. Kaya nga yung karamihan lalaki pag nag-asawa, binibigay lahat ng sahod sa babae, because men love idealistically. Women, pag hindi ka na the best bilang lalaki, hindi ka niya na nakikita the best ka, she will initiate the breakup, or sasabihin niya maghiwalay na kayo. Kasi nga, women always look for the best guy or for the best man. I need to find the guy na talagang the best. The problem right now, they also want to be the best. That's why it's really fucking hard for them to attract the guy that they really like. Ladies, the best time, okay, to negotiate or to find the best guy is between 18 to 24 years old. Kasi habang tumatagal, mas nahihirapan ka. Tandaan mo yan. When women become success, they become a prison of their success. When a man becomes success, they have the freedom to do what they want. Compared to women, the more na nagiging successful siya, the more na lumiliit yung options niya to find the guy. Kasi they will not, or she will not, settle sa lalaki na average, especially kung mataas ang sahod niya or kumikita siya ng malaki. Kaya women love opportunistically and men love idealistically. Women cannot date down. Ulitin ko, women cannot date down, but men can date down.
Hindi totoo yan.
We can always date down, okay? Pero ang babae, once na kumikita, they won't settle for that kind of guy. Okay?
We're gonna play now, ready for the show. I'm about to take down, you already know. Get the fuck out of my face now, yeah, you gotta go. Man, I'm on the